Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some colors. Purple color, light green color, maroon color, sky blue color, red orange color. Let's learn the number 1 to 5. Number 1. Heart. Number 1. One heart. Number 2. Two heart. Number 1. Heart. Number 2. Two hearts. Number 3. Three heart. Number 1. Heart. Number 2. Heart. Number 3. Three hearts. Number 4. Four heart. Number 1. Heart. Number 2. Heart. Number 3. Heart. Number 4. Four hearts. Number 5. Five heart. Number 1. Heart. Number 2. Heart. Number 3. Heart. Number 4. Heart. Number 5. Five hearts. One. Number 1. One heart. Number 2. 1, 2. Two hearts. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. Three hearts. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four hearts. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five hearts. Subscribe.